Hello everyone, this is Dr. Divya and topic for today's discussion is centrifuge. What is centrifuge? Centrifuge is a device for centrifugation, that is separation, separating particles. And the separation of particles depends on size, shape, density and viscosity. Principle of centrifuge. Centrifugal action creates an induced gravitational force in an outward direction relative to the axis of rotation, and this drives the particles are precipitated towards the bottom of the tube. Relative centrifugal force RCF or G force. RCF is expressed as unit of gravity. It is a measurement of the gravitational force that a sample is subject to. The force is generated from the spinning of the rotor, which in turn exerts this force outward on the centrifuge tube. RCF can be calculated by using the formula RCF is equal to R omega square divided by G, where R is equal to distance from the axis of the rotation, omega is the RPM, and G is the acceleration due to the gravity. And moving on to the types of centrifuge, it is divided into two major groups. One is based on the speed and based on the rotor. And based on the speed, it is divided into three types: low speed centrifuge, high speed centrifuge, and third one is ultra centrifuge. And based on rotor, it is divided into three types: fixed angle rotor, vertical, and swing bucket. Based on speed, the first type is low speed centrifuge. It has typical maximum speed is 6000 rpm. It should maintain in room temperature. The second one, high speed centrifuge. It has a maximum speed of 20,000 to 25,000 rpm. It has temperature control in it. And the third one is ultra centrifuge. It has a maximum speed of 9,800 kilometer per second, and it has temperature control and vacuum system. And based on a rotor, and this is the swing bucket rotor, fixed angle rotor, and vertical rotor. And this is the precautions while using centrifuge. Use safety goggles in order to prevent aerosol. Use face shield in order to prevent aerosol. And use surgical gloves in order to prevent the contamination. Work surface or machine must be in level to prevent the damaged centrifuge axis. Check the tube in the rotor is balanced for break tube, damage axis contamination. Do not open lid while the rotor is moving in order to prevent the blast. During abnormal vibration or wobbling or shaking the centrifuge, switch off the power and plug pull out to prevent the electrical shock. And do not move centrifuge while rotor is spinning. Thank you.